Hi and welcome. Now today I want to have a look at something called the parent-child relationship between the folders. Now depending on how you've got your import settings configured, you might have a long list of name folders or folders by date in your folders panel. If you don't have the parent folders visible, then it may be difficult finding them if they ever go missing. Now to make it easier to find your images, should Lightroom lose track of them, you can set Lightroom to show the parent folders with the subfolders underneath. Now this means that if you only have to relink the parent folder, and Lightroom will automatically relink the folder and all the subfolders. Is that not cool? Another advantage of having parent folders visible is that it makes it easier to see where the photos are on your hard drive. Now if you look at my folders here in my Data D drive, I've got exports and HDR Pano, I've got lots of folders, but where are they related to? Where are they on the hard drive? I know they're on Data D somewhere. Now if I hover over one, it will bring up a tooltip. And it'll tell me that the D drive is the parent folder of exports. So exports is the child folder of the D drive. But wouldn't it be nice to see them available all the time so I can see where I am? Well, we can. And all we do is we've got to click on what we're going to call the child folder. And then we're going to right click. And then we're going to go down to show parent folder. And what that's going to do is bring in the D drive. So now I can see clearly and straight away that my exports folder is a child folder of my D drive. So now if I ever lose anything in here, all I've got to do is go and find my D drive and it will automatically update everything underneath it, rather than do it one folder at a time. Now it does make it much easier to understand where your folders are, and in this case creating subfolders on the D drive is easy because now I can get access to it. I can right click and create folders inside D, which I couldn't do before. Now if you don't want the parent folders visible, if they really get in your face and you want to remove them, then what we can do is we can right click on the parent folder, which is the D drive in this case, and we can select hide this parent. And what that will do is that will hide the parent folder and bring us back to where we were. But I like it as it was, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to show my parent folder. And you can do that on any folder where you've got subfolders. Now I hope you found that useful. Don't forget to visit livelinktraining.com for more training videos on Photoshop, Lightroom and photography. Please subscribe to our newsletter or register to get access to exclusive member content. Okay, I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.